Okay, we got a quick coupler off a little excavator here, and it is cracked. So see, it runs all the way through the backside too. So we're gonna grind her out and weld it up. All right, here's what we got so far. I'm just gonna chase that crack, grind it up, and then this side will kind of do like an open root from both sides since it's cracked all the way through. Yeah, we'll just keep grinding. All right, here's where we are. Got that crack all ground out. So we're gonna weld this backside first, and then come over to the front side and probably back grind it into the weld a bit, and then weld this one up. So got the miller fired up, so let's do it. All right, got it all welded up. Not the prettiest, had a little screw up right there, but should freaking hold. Throw it back on the machine and go try to break it again.